Hello everybody, we are the Zapata County Health Youth Ambassadors and my name is Crystal Cantu and I'm a senior at Zapata High School.
My name is Benjamin and I'm a senior in high school.
My name is Nadina Rodriguez and I'm a freshman at Zapata High School.
So today we'll be showing you all the Cowboy salad. We demonstrated this there at our high school and now they're going to be serving it there at the lunch menu.
The ingredients are black beans, corn, cilantro, green onions, tomatoes, avocado, oil, vinegar or lime juice, salt, and pepper.
Before we start, we just want to make sure that you have a clean surface, you have your sanitizer right here, gloves, and you rinse your vegetables.
So our first step is to drain and rinse the black beans and the corn, which we have already done. So then we move on to step 2, which is to finely chop the cilantro and the green onions.
Next step is to dice up your tomatoes and avocados. Next up is avocado.
Next up, we will be mixing vegetable oil, lime juice, and salt and pepper in a small bowl.
So now we'll be mixing our corn and our beans into our other ingredients. Now we'll be adding our oil mixture into our Cowboy salad ingredients. So now you could toss it lightly or mix it gently, and Crystal will be mixing it with a spoon.
This recipe makes for 7.5 servings. Make sure to refrigerate after 2 hours. Each serving has 80 calories and provides 3 grams of protein.
This recipe makes for a great side dish or a healthy appetizer.
We hope you guys enjoy this new recipe in our Zapata County ISD school lunch menu. Thank you all for watching.